The State Department for University Education and Research derives its mandate from the Executive Order No. 1 of 2020, issued by the Office of the President on the 14th of January and revised in May. The functions of the State Department are also guided by the Universities Act 2012, the Science, Technology and Innovation Act 2013, and the Sessional Paper No. 1 of 2019 on a policy framework for reforming education and training for sustainable development in Kenya. The core functions of the State Department are university education policy, university education management, management of continuing education, science, technology and innovation policy, public universities and constituent colleges, governance of public universities, and biosafety management. The State Department has two directorates, which are the technical departments, namely the Directorate of University Education, which among other responsibilities formulate and review of policies on university education in collaboration with relevant bodies and agencies. DOE also implements, monitors and evaluates various projects in university education, as well as advertise scholarships, award and clear students going for foreign training. Directorate of Research, Science and Technology, whose mandate is to promote, facilitate and guide the national research system through policies that rationalize the integration of research and development into overall national economic development. Formulate and implement policies, strategies and programs for research management and development. The main objectives of the State Department include to enhance access, equity, quality and relevance of education and training at the university level, to promote and coordinate the development of science and technology, to provide relevant and adequate skills and competences in strategic disciplines for spurring industrial and economic development in line with the aspirations of Kenyans. In order to effectively undertake its mandate, the State Department also comprises 31 public universities, 9 university constituent colleges, 1 specialized degree awarding public university, 36 private universities, and 9 semi-autonomous government agencies which are charged with various responsibilities. The semi-autonomous agencies include the National Commission for Science, Technology and Innovation, which was established under the Science, Technology and Innovations Act of 2013 to accredit and assure quality in science, technology and innovations and advise the government on related matters. The Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Services, which was established under the Universities Act 2012 as a body to coordinate placement of government-sponsored students into universities and colleges. The Kenya National Innovation Agency, whose mandate is to scout for and nurture innovative ideas from individuals, training institutions, the private sector, and similar institutions. The National Research Fund, which was established under the STI Act 2013 to mobilize and channel resources for research, science, and technology and innovation. Biosafety Appeals Board, whose mandate is to make rules and regulation for appeal procedure, hear appeals from persons aggrieved by decisions made by the National Biosafety Authority, and communicate decisions to the parties involved and public. The Higher Education Loans Board, whose mandate is to source for funds and finance Kenyan students enrolled in recognized institutions of higher learning, both within and outside the country. It handles loans, bursaries, and scholarships for needy students in public and private universities. The board has also the mandate of recovering all mature loans issued since 1974. The Commission for University Education, which was established under the Universities Act of 2012 to accredit and quality assure university education in both public and private universities. Universities Funding Board was established under the Universities Act 2012 to mobilize and manage resources for financing university education. Universities and constituent colleges, whose mandate is to provide university education through teaching, research, and consultancies. Among the key projects in the State Department include the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, known as KAIST, a project modeled on the Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology and established jointly by the government of Kenya and Korea. The project, which is located in Konza, is in line with the Kenya Vision 2030 and Medium-Term Plan 3, which focuses on the utilization of science, technology and innovation to fast-track modernization and transformation of the Kenyan society into an industrialized middle-income country by 2030. The completion of the institute will make it a masterpiece exemplifying the Center of Excellence in Science and Engineering as envisioned in the second and third term plan of Vision 2030. Southern Eastern Africa Higher Education Centers of Excellence, also known as AC2 project, is jointly funded by the Government of Kenya and the World Bank. 3 centers have been established in Kenya, namely Egerton University and Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology, which are implementing projects dealing with food security, while the 3rd center is Moi University and deals with renewable energy. The project was declared effective from 4th February 2017 and will close on 31st December 2023. The main objective of the project is to strengthen the centers of excellence by delivering quality postgraduate education and collaborative research in collaboration with industries. The 3 centers have altogether enrolled 238 masters and 104 PhD students from Kenya and the region. The selected ACEs are expected to address specific development challenges facing the region through graduate training in master's, PhD, and short-term courses and applied research in form of partnerships and collaborations with other institutions and the private sector. The State Department has other running projects in the universities, such as construction to enable expansion of institutions to comply with post-COVID-19, establishment of science parks, and providing support to equipping of research labs. The Higher Education Science and Technology, known as HEST project, was a 5-year project jointly funded by the African Development Bank and the Ministry of Education. The objective of the training was to improve governance and management of university education for quality, relevance, and efficiency, as espoused in the Kenyan Vision 2030. At the end of the project, 500 top university managers from across the country were trained. The project aimed at contributing to Kenya's human capital skills development, capacity building, particularly in education, science, and technology, to respond to labor market demands and spur productivity nationally. Kenyatta University, through the School of Pure and Applied Sciences, was selected to be a consultant in the project to train 31 PhDs and 23 MScs in chemistry and physics and mentor a large number of postgraduate students in applied sciences. The State Department for University Education and Research provides services to all eligible citizens seeking information on higher education opportunities, both locally and abroad, to enable them enhance their knowledge, develop skills, provide equity and access to university education. As a way of improving environmental conservation and enhancing the country's forest cover, the State Department, spearheaded by the Principal Secretary Ambassador Simon Nabukwesi, collaborates with the institutions and engages in the annual tree planting exercise aimed to achieve 10% forest cover by the end of the year.